Guys, the Poco M7 4G hasn't even launched yet, but guess what? Its full specifications and even images have already leaked online. And trust me, this phone might just shake up the budget segment. So if you're planning to upgrade or are just curious about what Poco is cooking, stick around because I've got all the exciting details for you. So, according to a fresh report by gsma, the Poco M7 4G is expected to pack some really solid features for its category. Starting with performance, it's going to be powered by the Snapdragon 685 chipset, which is quite capable for day-to-day usage, multitasking, and even some light gaming. Now, the display is where things get interesting. Poco is giving us a massive 6.9-inch LCD panel with FHD plus resolution and an ultra-smooth 144Hz refresh rate. And to top it off, the screen can reach up to 850 nits of peak brightness, which means visibility under sunlight shouldn't be a problem. But the real highlight here is the battery. Poco is going all in with a gigantic 7,000 mAh battery. That's right, 7,000 mAh. It will support 33-watt fast charging. But here's the twist. Reports suggest that at least in European markets, Poco might not include the charger inside the retail box. When it comes to variants, the phone is expected to launch in two configurations, one with 6GB RAM and 128GB storage, and another with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage. And yes, it will still offer a microSD card slot for expandable storage. Out of the box, it will run on HyperOS 2 based on Android 15, which is a big plus. For cameras, you'll get a 50-megapixel main rear shooter and an 8-megapixel front camera. Both will support 1080p video recording, so don't expect 4K here. Still, for casual photography and social media content, this setup should be good enough. Design-wise, the Poco M7 4G is said to have an IP64 rated body, meaning it can handle a bit of dust and water splashes. Its dimensions are 171.08 x 82.05 x 8.55 mm, and it weighs about 224 grams. So yes, with that big battery, it will feel a little hefty in the hand. Interestingly, just like how the Poco M7 Plus 5G was basically a rebranded Redmi 15 5G, this Poco M7 4G is also expected to be a rebadged version of the Redmi 15 4G. And with almost every detail now leaked, it looks like Poco is gearing up for an official launch very soon, possibly this month itself in select markets. So guys, what do you think about the Poco M7 4G? Is this the budget king you've been waiting for, or do you feel something's missing, like 5G support or maybe a better camera setup? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and of course subscribe to ToPhoneGyan for more such leaks, reviews, and tech updates.